What's up, guys? Just down here today getting resourceful. Got the camera set up with the laptop with a heap of books, and just basically doing some new YouTube ad videos today. I've been shooting a lot more content over the last few days. Just getting some more ads out there so we can reach more people, to impact more lives, to inspire people to change and grow and basically create new lives for themselves with online business, because that's what we're doing here. But that's not the topic today. The topic today is of self-love, loving yourself. Now, I strongly believe that self-love is on the same vein and strongly connected to self-discipline, because having the discipline to do what's right for you in your life is loving yourself, respecting yourself enough to do what's right. So for example, let's say you were trying to get fit or you want to look after your health. When you get offered that pizza or that bag of Maltesers or chocolates and you're thinking to yourself, hey, I'm trying to really improve my health here, you can sit there and go, the side effects of me eating these foods that are not healthy for me are not good. They could cause disease and they could make me not feel good about myself. So no, I'm not going to eat that because I love myself enough. I love myself too much to eat those foods. It might be, hey, I want to go out and party and get on the drugs and alcohol this weekend with my friends. They're asking me to go out. And you're going to look back and you're going to say, well, you know what? I'm going to feel like shit if I do that, and I'm not going to feel good about myself, and it's going to impact my health and it's going to impact my mind. I love myself too much to go out with my friends and party this weekend. Self-love is self-discipline. And now another aspect of self-love is just imagine that the things that you say in your own mind, you look at yourself in the mirror, I'm getting old, I'm fat, I'm this, I'm going bald, I'm ugly, I'm whatever it is that you're telling yourself in your own mind. Because we all say these things, we criticize ourselves more than we compliment ourselves. Yet let's just imagine it was your best friend speaking to you. So the thoughts and the things you're saying in your own mind, your best friend was saying it to you. You're fat, you're ugly, you're worthless, you're this, you're that, you're going bald. Look at your teeth, what's wrong with them? All these little things. Imagine there was someone else. How would you react? Let's say it was a stranger that came up to you and started to speak to you like that. Started telling yourself the things that you're telling yourself. How would you react? More than likely, you would tell them where to go, right? So why do you say it yourself? Why do we talk to ourselves with this? Why do we not give ourselves self-love and compliment ourselves? Because this is the keys to feeling better about life, and this is the keys to having a more fulfilled life. Self-love and self-discipline are the two most important keys to self-happiness, to self-love, to self-respect, to living a happy life. So in order for us to excel in life and excel in our business, it's so important for us to excel inside, to take control of ourselves, to reclaim our own personal power through self-love and self-discipline, self-respect. Once we have control of ourselves, things can't hurt us. People can't hurt us from what they say because we know it's not true. You know it's not true. When someone makes a remark, a comment about you that you do not agree with, you can go, that poor person. You truly feel sorry for them because you know where they are at in their life. And it's sad when people have to bring you down or attempt to bring you down. It's sad when people have to put others down in order to make themselves feel better. It's sad when people have to live their life that way. But it doesn't affect you anymore when you learn to love yourself. You can go on to do great things in life. You can go on to be, do, and have anything that you like. So today's video was about self-love, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, like, comment, share, reply to my email. What are your thoughts on self-love? Have you had any experiences where you've struggled with this area of your life. Would you like further coaching in this area? Would you like more teachings, more videos on this topic? Just let me know, and I'll speak more on these topics. So, all right, guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Over and out. That's me for today, and I will talk to you guys soon. Ciao, ciao.